Many people are uncertain as the world of artificial intelligence finally materializes. While many see artificial intelligence as a threat, I, for one, see it as a blessing in disguise. Whether you are someone uncertain about your financial career or just someone trying to make some extra money on the side, you can use OpenAI's powerful tool, ChatGPT. Hey guys, it's Grin, and today we're going to discuss how to make money with ChatGPT with 6 proven strategies for success. This tutorial will help you whether you're a novice user looking to monetize your ChatGPT account or an advanced user looking to boost your earnings. Everything will be covered in this video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Number 1. Generating business names or ideas. Everyone tries to get into entrepreneurship at some point in their life. While some actually succeed in creating a network filled with useful clients, many leave halfway because they just don't want to put in the effort. To start a business, you need 2 important things: an innovative idea and a business name that complements the idea. Many people on esteemed freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork are charging hundreds of dollars for this task. Now, using a powerful AI like ChatGPT, you can create several innovative business names in a matter of seconds. You can research the market, and with the help of ChatGPT's reach, you can also generate innovative business ideas that do not have much competition in the market, thus making them beneficial for your client. For example, let's say your client wants to start a business selling all natural beauty products. All you have to do is insert all the information given by your client correctly in ChatGPT's question box, and boom, you have a list of business names that you can give to your beauty product company. So simply create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork and wait patiently for the money to arrive. Number 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is a multi-million-dollar industry, and with ChatGPT's extensive power and a bit of hard work, you will surely succeed. But before we get into email marketing, we need to understand about cold outreach. Let's suppose you have the email address of 5,000 people, and what cold outreach generally means is sending all 5,000 of these people an email selling your product. While it is true that most of your email will go into spam, even if some people click on the email and buy the product, you will still make a lot of money. Different email marketing agencies are making a hefty amount of money because companies generally have a large communication network and they require someone to write emails for them describing their product or business. Using ChatGPT's skills, we can easily write emails and then blast them through thousands of email addresses. Number 3. Translation service. ChatGPT is bombarded with amazing features, one of which is the ability to translate any language given to it. A lot of companies or self-employed people need their products translated into different languages if they are selling abroad. With ChatGPT, you will be able to translate whole essays, news posts, and articles into your desired language in a matter of seconds. Google Translate doesn't even compare to ChatGPT's translation abilities. The volume of translation that can currently be completed using this method is unbounded. The amount of translation that can currently be finished using this technique is limitless. There are Facebook groups that pay people to translate their articles into a certain language, so start from there. Number 4. Writing presentations. Each of us has given presentations on particular subjects. Whether you are in high school or college, doing presentations about topics relevant to your subjects, or if you are in a company meeting, presenting a sales pitch. As we know, preparing for a presentation requires an extensive amount of research and hours of work collecting information from different sources. Hence, most people would rather have someone else do that work for them. There is a whole market on Fiverr and Upwork regarding this. People pay hundreds of dollars for someone to write an in-depth and concise presentation for them. With the help of ChatGPT's chat box, all you need to do is collect all the necessary information and create a presentation for your clients. If you continue to provide good quality presentations for your clients, you will be able to work with them for a long time, thus making a lot of money. Number 5. Creating mini web app and running ads on it. If you have any experience in web development or have some sort of mastery over web development languages like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, etc., this service is definitely for you. For instance, ChatGPT has programming capabilities such as the ability to switch between different programming languages, find errors in existing code, and write vast amounts of code in response to a small number of clear instructions. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create a massive website in several seconds regarding any topic, provided that you also know how to code to make a few minor changes to your liking. Then register with Google AdSense to start monetization. You will need to be patient and put in a lot of effort to drive traffic to your website, but once it happens, you will certainly be rewarded. ChatGPT is even stronger than the infamous programming tool Stack Overflow, so you don't need to worry about its capabilities. Number 6. Writing sales pitches for products. By providing copywriting services for products, you can make bank. Many online businesses need people to write pitches for their products so that they can market them to the community. This is where ChatGPT's chatbot comes in. You simply need to write down all the information you have about the production and ask ChatGPT to market that product. You might need to write a marketing caption for an Instagram post if, for instance, you sell cat food. Just simply go to the chat box and write a production description for a cat food that has X amount of nutrition in it and it has a long shelf life, etc. ChatGPT will simply write a clear and concise product description for you. Thanks for watching this video. Smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos related to finance, AI, and many more, make sure to subscribe.